I'm ready to roll. Go ahead.
Okay, so just takes a key to turn it on.
Okay.
So the key's always in the drawer. It's the only key in there.
Okay.
Key
That
turn
key
it on.
right there. Okay.
Put it in the drawer, and we're on. Okay.
Okay.
We normally have people plug in through 1/4 inches right here.
1/4 inch. Okay.
Through both of them. If you need to do XLR, we have XLR.
Oh,
this
you do.
is though an output, not an input.
Not an
so
input.
the inputs
Okay.
are around on the other side. Of
That's
the wall.
right. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
yes. Okay.
you can do it, but this is the preferred way since it's so much closer.
Okay.
All right. So then we come up here. This is the main area that you guys will be adjusting at all. I always tell you to turn your system up and then kind of adjust on ours. So main volume is really self-explanatory. Deck volume, this needs to be set pretty high for it to be hearable out there. It's meant to be that way so you can put it up high.
Okay.
This is where we switch from background mode to DJ mode. It's labeled.
So it was not labeled.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's new. Yeah.
Those are new things.
Yeah,
Exciting. All right.
The B position is background music. That's what it's on for most of the night for toast and dinner and all of that. And then we only switch it to dancing mode, even usually after the first dance. We usually do it when we get like the real dancing started. I usually call it the if you need disco lights to dance to it, then that's when we need to turn it on.
Okay.
When you do this switch though, it's a very big jump. So you'll need to do it in between songs or just like real quick, like right when there's like some dead air really fast. So,
Okay.
Because if you do it in the middle, it will blow everybody's eardrums out.
I see. Gotcha.
Yeah. If you're going to use our mics, all the mics here are labeled.
That's
a lot of
nice.
people do wireless mic, which is just, this is just
Right.
the volume for that. The
Right.
main volume also is controlled by that.
Okay.
If you plug into our XLRs, you'll be on mic 1.
Oh.
XLR will be mic 1 volume.
Okay.
That's the only kind of tricky thing about it.
That's
Yeah.
very good knowledge.
Yeah.
Good information. Okay. And then there is an iPod hookup if you needed to.
There is. It's the old one, but if you need the new one, we have the converter in here.
Okay.
Right here. So we can make it up.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
And all we need is to just plug in here and we're good. Like there's
Yep,
no extra
that's it.
turning some other switch on or
Nope,
anything.
that should definitely be it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then let's go look at the mic inputs and as well as the XLR. I assume that's where the mic input is too, right?
If you want to do a recorded mic. Yeah.
Right. So the corded or our wireless mic if we use our mic,
Oh,
right?
yeah, yeah.
So that's number 1. Is that what number 1 is?
Yep, mic 1 is mic 1.
Okay.
Spot 1, mic 2 is spot 2. It's
Okay, and then
labeled
3 and
exactly.
4.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Let's set it up.
What are you talking about? And I'm like, oh,
No.
you must be people from before.
It is.
It wasn't labeled because it is. It's right now. It's like
Yeah.
very simple to use.
So just to add on that, so there is RCAs here, and then these are 1/4 inch plugins, and you can use those too. So that's a nice option. It's